Hey guys, I'm Mike Caffro with Black Hills UTV, and today I'm going to be showing you the Rhino USA Shackle Hitch Receiver. This is one of the best towing accessories you could have for your truck or Jeep and fits all standard 2-inch receivers. This receiver boasts over a 31,400 pound capacity and makes extraction and towing a breeze. Installation is super easy. Simply slide the shackle hitch into your receiver, secure with a pin. We always recommend using the Rhino USA locking pin for the added security. Once installed, the Rhino USA shackle hitch receiver makes recovery from any situation a breeze. And all Rhino USA products carry a lifetime warranty, are lab tested in the US, and carry the highest load rating in the industry. Visit rhinousainc.com or ask for this and other Rhino USA products at your local off-road shop.